are going to love the 2019 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power sunroof, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.